yours, you own them or you
I know, a renter.
Okay. Where do you rent them from? Do you guys rent them out, or do all three of you guys rent them out? What are they here for? Well, you can talk on this side so they're not staring.
We all work. We all have like we have like jobs. Like we have like.
I don't know nothing. I don't even look like I know anything about this equipment. So that's why I'm asking you what it is.
Oh, he gave him the signal for something. If you see in his hands, he gave him the signal. Probably a warrant. Just for the people that missed it, I'll run it back. There you go. 10-2 something. He gave him, oh, here go the handcuff.
Can you guys put him by accident?
You're being detained right now.
Yeah.